2009 Jeep Cherokee engine size 244. How to replacement alternator. First time, you remove the negative battery and remove the air duct filter, and you use the socket long 15. Remove the bell, remove the rival bell, and take off this bolt socket 15 and cable alternator positive and the color switch, the bottom two bolt 13, and remove the alternator. Hold the alternator and new alternator. Order the auto joint and inhibitor. Alternator. Tighten this bolt. Tighten two bolts. And put the connect, the positive cable, and put the bell. And put the cable. Try again. Thank you watching video. If you like, you put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.